was it?
That was an odd experience. My muscles were twitching quite a lot at the beginning.
Yeah, because the electric stim is stimulating them, and it sends the impulse to the muscle.
Okay.
And basically, it's like Russian stim, you know, like those lazy bodybuilders. So basically, they stimulate their muscles to make it to make them stronger.
Then I fell asleep.
Yeah.
My alarm scared the crap out of me.
Okay. That's typical. Keep your head down.
Okay.
So hands down, please, to open the rib cage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust your mid back first. Okay. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. In. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay. That was a good one. Now I need you to go on your side, face me. I'm gonna adjust your side joint. What we have here, yes. Keep this leg straight, please. Alright. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Good. Okay. Sit up. Put your feet down. This way. Okay. So I'm gonna adjust your neck now. Okay. Back. Okay. And you have C2 on the right side. Okay, relax. Okay. And the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust your L5. Okay. So what I need you to do is, go ahead and lie on your side, face me. Okay. Yeah, like this. That's good. There we go. Keep this leg straight. Okay. Give me a hand. Relax. Okay. Relax. Good. Okay, stand up. Now, move your neck and back. Do you feel like your legs are equal? No.
Yeah,
It's more balanced.
a little bit, yeah.
How's your neck moving? Is it
Better.
feels a little bit better?
Mm-hmm.
Moves in
Still
different.
tough that way, but.
Well, it's not gonna go away right away. It
Right.
doesn't work like a pill that you take it and then 5 minutes later you're like fine. It's gonna take maybe a couple hours, 2-3 hours, for the body to realize what just happened. So that when the inflammation goes down, the muscles will start relaxing. So the range of motion is going to be even greater.
Okay.
And I'm gonna give you like recommendations. Get some Epsom salt and soak your body in hot water with Epsom salt. It will help to